When you open a new drawing to work on a new project and you notice that the command line is missing, it is not there. You try to open a new drawing from the application menu and then also you can't see the command line. Even if you check your existing drawing, you don't find it there too. It is missing. Now how to get it back? There are two methods. The first one is you type in the command line and hit spacebar. And you instantly get the command line back. And the other way is to go to your view tab. In the palettes panel, you will find a tool icon for command line. You have to click it if it is not activated or if it is not selected. Or you can also use shortcut key to do the same. You just have to press Ctrl+9 to show or hide the command line. So next time if you don't see your command line, you just follow any of the steps that we just discussed to get it back.